Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2014 Volkswagen Golf 2.0 TDI BlueMotion Tech GTD, a sporty and efficient hatchback finished in red with a cloth interior. Designed for performance and practicality, it offers an engaging driving experience. At the rear, the LED taillights and twin exhaust tips emphasize its sporty nature, while rear parking sensors assist with easy maneuverability. At the side, the Golf GTD sits on 18-inch Bola Alloy wheels with a sleek design that enhances both style and aerodynamics. At the front, the bold GTD grille, sharp headlights, and sculpted bumper give the Golf GTD a dynamic and aggressive look. The Golf GTD delivers impressive performance and efficiency. Adaptive cruise control and a stop-start system enhance comfort and fuel economy. Stepping inside, experience a driver-focused cabin with Bluetooth, DAB radio, and an advanced infotainment system. Electric folding mirrors and front and rear parking sensors add convenience. At the rear seats, passengers benefit from comfortable seating and high-quality materials, ensuring a pleasant ride. The spacious cargo area provides excellent practicality for everyday use. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration SB63WRZ to book a test drive or request a video tour.